Are we recording? Oh, come on, I told you not. Whatever. Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jada, and today, yes. So,
8:47. Should we fall asleep in 45 minutes?
9:30.
Yeah. You know.
I'm gonna fix us a hot dog, okay?
Fix us a hot dog, Mama.
You just want to wait this time?
Yeah, just a weenie. I don't like the bun. And can I have some Pringles with that? Thank you. I want some Pringles with that order.
I thought you wanted peanut butter crackers.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
I don't think you get. I think it'd be better if you had peanut butter crackers. You
No.
ain't gonna get them. Here's your juice.
I don't need juice.
You gotta have a decent hot dog on.
Maybe I do.
Yeah.
I got Perfecto slime. Yeah, this is a horrible view. I hope.
That's all I want.
Daddy, you don't want nothing but the wiener?
Yep, nothing but the weenie.
If I want anything else, I'll maybe get a, what is this thing called, chimichurri, whatever.
Oh,
I'll eat one of those.
Oh, give me a kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay, who cares? Oh, she don't like people seeing her, but here is her, my kitty. Calico. 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 Oh, and here's her baby pictures. Here's one and here's one. That's all I got. Here's Toby. Yeah, but let's get back to the video. Get back to the video.
I'll just go ahead and fix all four.
Daddy can eat 2 wieners, probably.
No, I don't like them that much. I just want one.
You just want one? Oh, okay. I'll eat 2.
Maybe we can half it. I'm not sure. Yes.
That's savage, sis.
Thank you.
Well, ain't nothing good about waiting. You don't put nothing on.
And here's my thumbs down savage over here. Here is my thumbs down savage right here. Yep, there's your logo, thumbs down. I don't know what he's watching over here. Stupidness! Probably. But let's get you back into the video. Why am I getting off base a lot? I'm like, base girl. Okay, bye-bye. You'll see my slime. You'll see my slime. You'll see it. Can you see? You want me to make a bubble? Oh, that's so nice. Okay, failed. Not this time I won't. Okay. Not this time I won't. Okay, fail. Not this
These
time.
companies talk about employee
Not
discounts.
this time I won't. Okay, who cares? Let's try. One.
Nothing favors on the brain.
Okay, guys, I am pausing out to get some music playing. And also, I forgot, subscribe and leave a like to this channel. Thank you. No. cares about that? Okay. Paused. Well, guys, hey. Hey. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy.